Hello everybody, I am Dr. Lodi Kanis Fatma, Head of the Department Political Science, JT Art Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon, Nasik. Dear listener, today I want to deliver my lecture on Prime Minister. In this slide, there are different Prime Minister from 1947 to till date. Our first Prime Minister was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and current Prime Minister is Narendra Modi. प्राइम मिनिस्टर पोस्ट के ताल्लुक से हम बात करेंगे। प्राइम मिनिस्टर किसे बनाया जाता है? जिस पार्टी को इलेक्शन में मेजॉरिटी हासिल होती है उसी पार्टी का हेड प्राइम मिनिस्टर अपॉइंट किया जाता है और प्राइम मिनिस्टर को अपॉइंट जो है वो प्रेसिडेंट करता है। प्राइम मिनिस्टर के साथ साथ कैबिनेट में मुख्तलिफ टाइप के मिनिस्टर्स होते हैं, जैसे कि कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर, मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट एंड डेप्यूटी मिनिस्टर। कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर जो होते हैं वो अहम पोस्ट रखते हैं। ही इज़ अ मिनिस्टर एंड participated in every meeting of the cabinet. Minister of State who does not have independent charge of any department and work under a cabinet minister, the work to such minister is allotted by his cabinet minister. And the third category is deputy minister. He is a minister who work under a cabinet or a minister of the state with independent charge. His work is allotted by the minister under whom he is working. Powers and functions of Prime Minister. The Prime Minister of India serves the country by performing various functions. बेशुमार functions उसको perform करने पड़ते हैं. He performs his functions taking responsibility that are listed below. Number 1, he is the leader of the country. The Prime Minister of India is the chief head of the government of India. The next important function of Prime Minister is allocation of portfolios. The Prime Minister has the authority to assign respective portfolios to the ministers. अलग अलग मिनिस्टर्स को मुख्तलिफ पोर्टफोलियोज़ का डिवीज़न जो है ये करते हैं ताकि जो है एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन अच्छा चल सके, मुल्क में काम आसानी से हो सके और तमाम लोगों के दरमियान कोऑर्डिनेशन रहे। प्राइम मिनिस्टर चेयरमैन अपनी कैबिनेट का होता है। प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज़ द चेयरमैन ऑफ द कैबिनेट एंड कंडक्ट द मीटिंग ऑफ द कैबिनेट. ही कैन इम्पोज हिज डिसीजन इफ देयर इज़ द क्रूशियल ओपिनियन डिफरेंस एंड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट अमंग द मेंबर्स. ऑफिशियल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव कंट्री का होता है। प्राइम मिनिस्टर रिप्रेजेंट द कंट्री फॉर हाई लेवल इंटरनेशनल मीटिंग एंड ही इज़ द एम्बेसडर ऑफ द कंट्री. Next power is he is linked between the president and the cabinet. Prime Minister act as a link and bound between the president and cabinet. Prime Minister एक लिंक की हैसियत रखता है प्रेसिडेंट और कैबिनेट के दरमियान. He communicate and transmit all decision of the cabinet to the president, which is related to the administration of affairs of the union and proposal for legislation. Head. The Prime Minister is the head of many organizations and programs like Nuclear Command Authority, NITI, Ayog, appointment committees of the Cabinet, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space and Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. He is Chief Advisor. He also play a role of Chief Advisor to the President. This is the important responsibility on the shoulder of Prime Minister. Prime Minister is just like a wheel of a car. Prime Minister is just like a sun in solar system, having more important power. and he has responsible person for the development of nation. The role of Prime Minister is very important. Thank you very much.